For the state level advocacy program is happening over here. You are also present. So what do you like to say?
The state level advocacy program is our yearly event that we gather people, all stakeholders together, the government officials, the NGOs, the beneficiaries, those who are deafblind, parents of deafblind children and young adults. It is a matter for bringing them together for the purpose of understanding what each one does, because many times people individually complain about the other without understanding what the other is involved in. So this is an occasion where we come together, we meet, and each one talks about what they are available services that they have, so that those who are in need of these services can know where to approach, whom to approach, and where to go. The other aspect about today's meeting is we are looking at how disability, persons with deafblindness and multiple disabilities can use technology for their communication. You have just seen a person, Srutilata Singh, who herself is a deafblind, makes use of technology to speak and to listen. A person with such type of disability can also now function normally by vision and also by hearing with the assistance of technology. The second aspect about today's meeting is also we are looking at the health aspects of persons with deafblindness and multiple disabilities. Amidst the health, one of the important aspects is the certification of these persons. Many of the persons who are identified cannot get them assessed because of the lack of resources that exist, and months together it passes where this assessment gets hampered, and for the reason of assessment being delayed, they are unable to access the benefits which are their rights to get from the government. So we are asking systems, the government officials, to enhance the capacity of the district early intervention centers so that assessment can happen at a speedy level. And the third thing that we are talking about today is education of persons with deafblindness and multiple disabilities. Caritas Goa, incidentally, is the only organization taking care of children and young adults with deafblindness. Among these, of the 410 persons that we are reaching out to, 150 of them are homebound. Nobody provides any services to the home-based persons. We are reaching out to those homes. And for that reason, we are asking the government, help us enroll the homebound children in a school, so that as students, they have a right. This is a right to claim for education. We are not asking the government to appoint teachers. That work we have been already doing. We are asking only enroll this into special schools, where our staff goes to their homes to provide these services to them. So these are our asks from this meeting today, to see how best all the stakeholders can get the best services. Our goal is to reach out to every deafblind person in the state of Goa and those with multiple disabilities, that nobody should be left out, that they all should have their own rights addressed. This is what we are aiming through this advocacy. Thank you.
So one more thing, special children's rights should be done more awareness, you think?
That's precisely the reason of this advocacy meeting, because we are engaged with several other departments of the government, and we invite all the departments here. It's like Transport and Women Commission, Children's Commission, all the commissions who are supposed to fight for the rights of their children. We have invited all these departments so that they may further, even if they are not connected with any disability issues, that they have to be responsible to see that from their department how they can reach out to persons with disabilities, make it aware to all those, and also address their issues.
Further, one more thing, few people just ignore the special children whenever they sick, so they get hurt. So in this regards to any message from your side?
See, that is the reason our community has to become sensitive. They have to understand that disability is not a curse. Disability is a condition of life. Disability can be acquired, disability can be by birth. Persons through accident acquire disability. So anybody can come into that sector. If people are sensitive, they will understand how a person with disability also yearns for their growth, yearns for their rights, and therefore we have to have a community which is sensitive to persons with disability.
Father, your name and designation which you
I'm
hold.
Father Maverick Fernandes, Director of Caritas Goa.
Thank you, Father.